So here you can see we have a button here, and that is remove button. Now in this video I'm going to show you how this button will actually remove the product from the cart. So let's go, and if I go to the resources and then views, and then we have show cart, right? Show cart dot blade dot php, and here you can see we have here a button, and that is remove. So here you can see I have added here on click return confirm, that are you sure, because let's say accidentally you delete this. I mean, you don't want to actually remove it, but you click here and it's removed. So I don't actually want to do this, so that is the reason actually I have added here on click, so that it will actually show a pop-up message at the top, and then if you click OK, then it will actually remove. I mean, it will be removed. Okay, so let's go to the code, and here you can see there is no such a route for this. So I'm going to create a route for this. I'm going to give here a route name, and I will say route, and the route name will be delete dot cart, and I'm going to copy this, and let's go to the route. So we know our routes is inside routes. Okay, sorry, web.php, and here we have a function for this, and I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to go to the get route. Here you can see I'm going to copy this route, and I want to paste it here, and I'm going to cut it from here, and let's replace the name here. Okay, and what I need is I need an ID, because let's say here you can see I have multiple food items, right? So I need to actually know the food ID to remove the food, right, from the cart. So here I want to pass the food ID with it. So we know our ID is inside this variable, right? Here I'm going to actually copy it, Control C, then I'll go there and I will say that I'm going to paste it, and then I'm going to say arrow sign, then you can see we have food ID also, right? So I'm going to mention this ID here. So I'm going to say that food underscore ID from the food cart table, right? Food underscore ID, and I'm going to pass this ID, okay, so that I can actually delete specific food, right? I mean remove, okay, not delete, remove from the cart. So let's go here, and I am going to pass here ID. So I'm going to say ID, that's it, and it will go here. I will say remove food, or let's say remove cart, and it will go to the user controller and this function. Let's go there, and I want to go to the app http controllers, then user controllers, and here I'm going to add here a function, and that is public function remove cart. Then here I'm going to say $ID, because we have passed an ID, right? I can say here remove underscore cart or food. Let's say food is equal to, I'll say the food cart, right? We have food cart here, so I'm going to copy it. Let's go down a little bit, and here I'm going to paste it, food cart colon find or fail, and I'm going to give her the ID $ID. Now it will actually find the food information, and here I'm going to say $remove food delete, and it will actually return redirect back. That's it. Now let's check. I'll go there, and here you can see I have all the all the food here. So let's say I want to remove this, because these are duplicates, right? So I'm going to remove it, and here you can see it's asking me that are you sure. I'm going to say okay, and okay, so yeah, I got the error. Here you can see if I go to the code editor, you can see I have passed here food ID, right? So no, I don't have to actually pass the food ID, because we have a specific ID, right? The unique ID for the cart table, right? Here you can see. So I need to actually find out the specific ID, right? So here I just have to mention the ID. Okay, that's it. And then here you can see we have here ID, pass ID, and then ID, and then now it will actually work. So what I have to do, I have to actually say here return redirect back. That's it. Let's go back, refresh, Now I can actually delete it. Here you can see deleted successfully. Now let's say I want to delete this. I will say remove pop-up message. I will press cancel. Then you can see this is not removed. If I say remove, okay, then it will be removed. And if I go here, if I refresh, here you can see also removed from here, right? Okay, so that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.